folks. This is me again. What am I doing? I got a tool review for tonight, and I'm probably going to put this one up, not in the normal queue. I'm going to put it in the, I'm going to bump it up because it's kind of cool, and I'll be using it real soon. It's another horror freight tool, because I can't afford the non-horror freight version, so the reason why picked it up at Harbor Freight is because it's cheaper, and I'm not a contractor, and I need a tool to do it. So what I picked up was one of these things. I'll turn the camera down and I'll show you. This is a Hercules, what is it? 1916 SDS Max Type Rotary Hammer. Item number HE34. And I'll take it out of the box. I haven't unboxed it yet. It's, what do you call it? It's pretty heavy. They retail for $1.99, in case nobody knows. Why did I buy it? There's a definite reason why I bought this. Not that it's not every day I buy a concrete. Reason for concrete hammer. Actually, I didn't. What do you call it? Take it out of the package. So comes in a nice, what do they call that? Blow molded case. Like, let me put this down here like so. Has a little nice logo, nice fancy case. And we'll open it up here. Show you. It has not been used whatsoever. So it's gonna fly off my bench here. Comes with usual manual. I probably will read. Comes with a cord. I bought an extra one of these because I will be using it to remove some dirt. It does come with two other chisels. Comes with a small one like so, which comes in this neat little plastic thing, which I'll have to admit that this little plastic tube sucks. I think it's a little better, but it's not. It could be a little. It is what it is. Comes with that one. Comes with a little pointy thing, which is fine. I guess I'll see the difference between if I buy a name brand rotary hammer chisel thing versus a horror freight one. Comes with professional grease. See that? Professional grease. Doesn't seem like there's very much in it. It's pretty light. Thank you for purchasing your tool. Please keep in mind this tool is subject to a restocking fee if returned. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna keep this and put it on my wall or something. Wall of shame. I will not be returning it. It comes with this rod, but I have no idea what it does yet. I'm guessing it's some type of depth gauge. Alright, let me take this out here. There's no other tools with it whatsoever in this case. So, take this off here. Comes in a fancy schmancy plastic bag. I don't know if this tightens it up or what. The handle, pretty big trigger. There it appears to be a setting for hammer. This is a hammer drill setting. I'm guessing this is a chipping setting, a little whatever. Maybe it's just drilling, hammer drill, and then I guess hammer function. If you want to see up close here, I'll show you. This thing not stop getting caught on here. There you go. You can see right here the three settings. There's the trigger right here, which is pretty big. There's oh, I guess it's a variable speed thing right here. See, speed. I don't know. I don't know anything about these things, so I can't really judge and be like, oh yeah, it's great, it's wonderful. I've never owned one. I'll turn it on just to show you what it. See what he does here. Let's see. Unplug this for now. Here. Let's plug this in. So yeah. That's the. Okay, let's try. Oh, I'm not going to chisel the bench or anything. Don't worry. I'm definitely not doing that. So basically, I'm guessing. How's this work here? I guess that. So yeah, just. Smells like plastic. Guess it'll work pretty good. I'm assuming you want to take this out. You put it right there. Oh, how does it? Doesn't work. Okay. So yeah, I guess you do like most drills. Pull this back and pull that out. And just lock it in. Will it work good? I don't know. It's got a 3-month warranty, and I'm gonna see how good the warranty is. Basically, I don't really have a, like I said, I don't have a fixed opinion on this thing. I don't know anything about these, and I'm just using it for a small job. What's the job I'm using it for? Well, I have a couple of small pieces of concrete I want to remove. I got to drill some concrete holes, and there's no way I'm burning out a small drill just to chisel stuff. And I don't have where I'm at, I don't have an air compressor in there. Otherwise, I just use a regular hammer drill, just do some small thing work. But this should be more than good. I guess the speed might be a little. What's the? I'll put it on drill here. Yeah. Guessing this is hammer drill. There we go. This one is the hammer jammer. So yeah, she appears to be working okay. What's this one? There's 2 green lights here. 1 light. So anyway, I will definitely throw a video in of me using this. And I guarantee you, sometime within a week of me putting this video up, I'll bring my tripod and I'll show you the piece of concrete I'm chipping and a couple of holes on the drill. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna have some fun with something that really drives me nuts to do, but I really need to get it done. Oh, and plus I bought this piece. What did I buy this for? I know I'm gonna have to be digging some dirt, so it's easier to take a hammer drill and chip out some dirt with it real quick than try to use a pick and shovel. It's just basically a motorized pick right here. So stay tuned. We're gonna have fun with a giant power tool. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and hope you enjoy it.